I'll make it and give the questions. Don't worry. Right? Okay. Look at this one. So we have a circle. So and also we mark 2 points. I'll mark 2 points. And I'm going to join that 2 points. When I join the 2 points on the circumference, you know what is the name of that line. Now don't tell I don't know. What is the name of that line? We call its chord. And also you know that one in circle I have the middle 1 point. It's not vertex. Someone say vertex. What is the name of that point? We call it center. Right, okay, I have a question. Look at this one. I'll just divide this one into 2 parts. I'll divide this chord into 2 equal parts. When I divide it to 2 equal parts, at that time, what we call for this point, I'll mark it, this chord as AB chord. And I'm marking here this point as, what is that, the C. Now I am asking from you, what is that C? What is that C? That is, someone giving the answer, but the answer is not clear. The answer is not clear. So they are giving midpoint. Midpoint is where? Midpoint of the road. Midpoint of the chord. Midpoint of the AB chord. It's better. Midpoint of the AB chord. All right, okay. So listen this one. So what I'm going to do it, I am going to draw a line. Listen carefully. I am going to draw a line from where to where. From center, I'll mark the center as O. I'll mark center as O. From center to the midpoint of the chord. Now I'm going to make the theorem. What is that theorem? The line joining midpoint of the chord from the center. The line which is joining midpoint of the chord to the center. What's going to be happen? That line is when I drawn a line from center to the midpoint of the chord, it's make 90. It's make 90. I can't say no, it makes 90. I can say nicely, what is that? So for example, I am the one who's, what is that, the cooking. So it's not good. I am the chef. It's nice name. So like that way. So don't say it's 90 degrees. Say like this. What is that? That line is perpendicular to whom? Perpendicular to the chord. The line which is joining from center, the line which is drawn from center to the midpoint of the chord, it's perpendicular to the chord. Asar prayer. Someone asking, sir, can you give me the 5 minutes for Asar prayers? I prayed and came. So you said you need to pray. Right, okay, wait, I'll give you. So first we'll finish these 2 points. And I'll give you 5 minutes, okay? Because the prayers, no, definitely I should give it. So I'll give the time, 5 minutes I'll give you. So even the break, at that time you can take the break. But don't try to, what is that, go here, stay like this kind of it. Don't try to log out and say, but not now, wait, until I finish it. Look at 2 parts, okay? So what I said, I told you A, O, and A, O, B. No. I told you, what is that? When I joining a line, when I drawn a line from center to the midpoint of the chord, it's perpendicular to the chord. That is the theorem. What is the theorem? The line drawn from center to the midpoint of the chord, it's what? Perpendicular to the chord. So what they are saying here, you see, AC is equal to CB. AC, it's equal to CB. So what I can say, therefore OC is what? OC is what? OC is perpendicular to whom? To AB. This OC is perpendicular to whom? To the AB. Okay?